There are three ways that property is transferred when someone dies. Two of them are easy ways, one of them not so easy. The easy way is to do an estate plan and set up mechanisms, what we call non-probate transfer mechanisms. For real estate, for example, we use something called a beneficiary deed. We can also use for bank accounts payable on death designations, sometimes joint ownership, although I generally don't recommend that. Payable on death is much better. When it comes to vehicles, transfer on death designations on vehicle titles, automatically transfer property at death. And beneficiary designations on investment accounts and retirement accounts will transfer assets at someone's passing. Another way to do it, another good way to do it, is through a trust. So you title all of your property in the name of the trust, and when you die, your trust doesn't die. Your trust lives on. It's just taken over and run by whoever you designate to run the trust. And the trust can be used to hold property and manage property, like if you have young children, and the trust will continue to own your property, and maybe the trustee you've named, maybe it's a sibling of yours, an adult sibling, will manage the trust and manage the assets to take care of your kids with. If your kids are all grown up, or all the beneficiaries are grown up and able to handle their own money, then the trustee will simply step into your shoes after you pass, take over the assets of the trust, and distribute them according to your wishes in the trust. The third way to transfer property is through probate. I don't recommend probate. We try to stay away from that. That's why we do estate planning. And so it's not the best way to transfer property, but we file a lot of probate cases. People simply don't do estate plans like they should do. And if we end up having to file a probate case, it's not the end of the world. It's just that it's of the three ways to transfer property, it's the least favorable way.